here. Where are we going? Hey, slow down. Come on then, should we go down this way? No, no. Mind the door. Hey, you. Yeah. Come on this way. This way. You want to go out? No, we can't go out. You're going to come this way. Come on. This way. You're pretty fast in that thing, aren't you? Oh yeah, but you can't come up onto this. I'll help you. Whoa! Whoa! Now where are you going? Into Mummy's room. No, nice turn. Oh, that's the wall. Oh gosh, I'm going to run into something walking backwards. Hey, good turn. Oh no, mustn't go in there. That's cables. Hey you, what have you found? Oh, discovered a new cupboard. Look, Mummy. There's stuff in there. Okay, you. Come on. Leave that. Come on. Yay! And back in the living room.